In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Figma prototype in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Figma, and then here inside, of course, you want to find the prototype you would like to embed. So I have something completely random over here, but it's going to do the trick for this video. And then you want to go to the top right, click on prototype, and here you'll be able to select a bunch of different things. And you can then just go ahead and click on this preview button or the present button, and it's going to basically preview it for you like that. So as you can see, it's going to start loading, and there we go. When that's loaded, if that's cool, you can then just go ahead and click on share prototype at the top right. So click on this button, and then from here, click on get embed code. Now this will basically give you a code. You can just copy it by clicking this copy button, and then you want to go inside Framer, inside your site. You want to go to insert top left, and then from here you want to go to utility, and here you have embed. Now embed is what you should drag onto your site wherever you want this to be positioned. So for example, over here I want it to be like in the middle of my screen right now, and then all you have to do is basically double click it so it opens up the embed here on the right hand side, and then you simply go to HTML, and then you paste in whatever we've just basically copied from here, from the embed code, and you can go ahead and paste this in. And then when you paste it in, you can go ahead and of course just click out, and whenever you then go into the preview mode here, it's going to basically start loading your design, and whenever your design is loaded, you'll be able to see that you've successfully embedded your Figma prototype inside Framer. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.